Today we are going to learn about chapter number 8, comparing quantities of standard 7. Now, what are quantities first? That we will understand first. Weight, height, length, time, all these are quantities and they are measured in gram, kilogram, meter, milliliter, centimeter, meter. All these are what? Units to measure these all quantities. Now, these all quantities, what we have to do over here? We have to compare them. Compare them means which is less and which is more. In that things we have to compare. Now here an example is there. Hina is 2 times taller than Amir. Now Hina and Amir's height are compared. The relation between Hina's height and Amir's height is given that Hina's height is 2 times of Amir's height, or it can be written as, if we want to write down Amir's height first and Hina's height afterwards, then the sentence will be changed in this way that Amir's height is half of Hina's height. Now let us see this with the example with the numbers. Now if Hina is 10 centimeter, then Amir is 20 centimeter. What we are telling that Hina is 2 times taller than Amir. That means if Hina is 10 centimeter, then Amir is 2 times more. Means 2 multiplied by 10 means 20 centimeter more. Now Amir is, now next statement that Amir's height is half of Hina's height. Now what is Amir's height? It is 20 centimeter. Half means we have to divide it by 2. So if we will divide it by 2, 20 we will divide it by 2. What we are getting? 10. And what is 10? 10 is Hina's height. So this statement can be represented as in the mathematical form in this way, that Amir's height is half of Hina's height. Now what about ratio? Now here ratio is written in this way. Hina's height is 2. This 2 full stop to do one above the above. This is called is 2, or it is in the ratio form. So Hina's height is to Amir's height. This is called ratio. It will be equal to, what is Hina's height? Hina's height we have taken 10 and Amir's height we have taken 20. So 10 is to 20. These two dots are called as is 2. So 10 is to 20. Now 10 is to 20 can be written in the fraction form. So 10 is the numerator, 20 is the denominator. So 10 by 20. Now this you can cancel out in the reduced form. You can get 0 0 cancel out. So remaining is 1 by 2. So it will be equal to 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 can be again written in the ratio form. It will be the 1 is to 2. So what is the ratio of Hina's height and Amir's height? So the ratio of Hina's height is to Amir's height is equal to 1 is to 2. So this 1 is to 2 is what? It is a ratio. That if Hina's height, whatever Hina's height will be there, that much twice will be Amir's height. Now, a point is that whenever you are doing comparison of any two quantities, then the units should be same. To compare two quantities, units must be same. Here you can see, we are comparing the height of Hina's height and Amir's height. Means both we are comparing what? Height and height. So here you can't compare height and weight. You can only compare height and height. So both the height will be in the centimeter and centimeter. So here centimeter and centimeter. What is centimeter? Centimeter is a unit. So the units must be same. So whenever you are doing comparison, the units must be same. Find ratio of 3 km to 300 meter. Now you can see that we have to find out the ratio of 3 km to 300 meter. Now here unit first we will check whether they are same or no. Here kilometer is there and here meter is there. Means the units are different. So we have to make the units first same. So first step will be that convert both the distance to same unit. Means any, you can convert both of them to kilometer or both of them to meter. To make it easy, we will convert this kilometer into meter. Now relation between kilometer and meter, the conversion we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So first 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Now what we have to convert? 3 kilometer we have to convert into the meter. So multiplied by 1000. 3 kilometer is equal to 3 multiplied by 1000. It will be equal to 300 kilometer. Now we have to find out the ratio. So 3 kilometer is to 300 meter. Sorry, 300 will be meter over here. We have converted kilometer into meter. So instead of 3 kilometer, we can write 300 meter. So 300 meter is to 300. 3000 meter is to 300 meter. Here same unit are there. So we can write down 3000 is to 300. Now this can be written in the fraction form. 3000 divided by 300. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel out. 3 tens are. And here 3 ones are. So 10 by 1. So what is the ratio? 10 is to 1. So the ratio of 3 kilometer to 300 meter is 10 is to 1. Equivalent ratios. Example is given. Are the ratio 1 is to 2 and 2 is to 3 equivalent? Two ratios are given to you and you have to find out that 1 is to 2 and 2 is to 3 are equal or not. So 1 is to 2 can be written as 1 by 2 and 2 is to 3 can be written as 2 by 3. So we have to find out whether 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3 or not. Now here you can see that both the denominators are different. So they are unlike fractions. So this both of them you have to convert them to like fractions. Now for like fraction what we have to do, that our denominators should be same. So these denominators we have to make them same. How we will make them same? We have to take LCM of the denominator, means 2 and 3 the LCM we have to take. So LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So 6 is LCM. Now here 1 by 2 we will convert it into the denominator as 6. So what we have to multiply with the 2? So here 1 by 2 will be multiplied by 3. Denominator and numerator both will be multiplied by 3. So 2 3s are 6 and 1 3s are 3. So 1 by 2 can be written as 3 by 6. These are equivalent. After that 2 by 3. 2 by 3 we will convert to as the denominator 6. So 3 is there. So 3 2s are 6. So we have to multiply by 2. So we will multiply by 2 denominator and numerator both. So 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So this is 3 by 6 and 2 by 3 is 4 by 6. So 1 by 2 instead of 1 by 2 we can write 3 by 6. And instead of 2 by 3 what we are getting? 4 by 6. Now if we want to compare which is greater, 4 by 6 is greater. That means that instead of 3 by 6, 1 by 2 we can write. So 1 by 2 is less than 2 by 3. So this way you can say that 1 by 2 is less than 2 by 3 or 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 2. So which ratio is greater? 2 by 3 is greater. Keeping things in proportion and getting solutions. Now problems will be given to you and you have to put them in the proportion. Means that 4 things will be given to you. How 4 things should be in the proportions. 3 will be given to you and 1 you have to find out. Now here see the example. 6 bowls cost rupees 90. Now for 6 bowls the cost is given rupees 90. Means 2 things are given. What would be the cost of 10 such bowls? Now we have to find out the cost of how many? 10 such bowls. So what we will do? What is given? That 6 bowls cost rupees 10 is given. That we will write down first. That cost of 6 bowls is rupees 90. After that, cost of 1 bowl. 6 bowls. How many rupees? 90. For 1 bowl we will find out. So 1 bowl it will be equal to 90 divided by 6. This we have done in the lower classes. So rupees 90 by 6. Now let it be 90 by 6 only. After that what we have to find out? We have to find out the cost of 10 bowls. So cost of 10 bowls will be equal to, what was the cost of 1 bowl? 90 by 6. So 90 by 6 multiplied by, we are finding for 10 bowls, that 10 we will multiply. So what will be the answer? Both will be cancelled out by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are. Now these 3 can be cancelled out with the 90. 3 1s are 3 and 3 30s are. So after that 30 multiplied by 5, 3 5s are 50 and 0. So the final answer is rupees 150. Now another way to find out this is simply what is given, bowls are given and rupees is given. Here bowls and rupees. Now 6 bowls, how many rupees? 90. 10 bowls, how much? That we have to find out. This way in the column form also you can write down. After that what we have to find out. This we have to find out. This we have to find out. So suppose we are taking this as a x. So suppose 10 bowls cost rupees x. Now here what we will do? We will do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Here 10 and 90 both we are having. What we have to find out? X. So x we will write down first is equal to. Now cross multiply. So this 10 and 90 both we are having. In the multiplication form we will write down 10 multiplied by 90 divided by x. It is already written. 6 is left. 6 we will write down over here. Now this we will simplify and the answer will be 150 rupees. So this way also you can do the same answer.